How to resolve cannot allocate vector of size error in RStudio. If you've encountered the cannot allocate vector of size error while working with R or RStudio, you're not alone. This error typically occurs when R runs out of memory while trying to allocate space for large vectors. In this guide, we will discuss the reasons behind this error and offer several strategies to overcome it. Understanding the error. R is a memory-intensive programming language, especially when handling large datasets or complex calculations. The cannot allocate vector of size error generally signifies that R is unable to assign enough memory to store a vector, matrix, or other large objects. Common scenarios. Some common scenarios where you might encounter this error include reading large data files, running large simulations, performing extensive data wrangling procedures. Solutions to resolve the error. 1. Check available memory. Ensure that your machine has enough free RAM. You can use functions like memory.size or memory.limit on Windows to check the memory status. 2. Increase memory limit. On Windows, you can try increasing the memory limit using, for example, 3. Use 64-bit R. If you are using a 32-bit version of R, consider switching to a 64-bit version, as it can handle more memory and thus large data objects more efficiently. 4. Optimize data structures. Instead of using large, dense data structures, consider more memory-efficient alternatives. Data frames and matrices can be replaced with more efficient data structures like data tables from the data.table package. 5. Use disk-based storage. For massive datasets, consider using disk-based storage options like databases, SQLite, PostgreSQL, or file-based storage, HDF5. Both provide means to handle large datasets without fully loading them into memory. 6. Clean up workspace. Free up memory by removing unused objects from the workspace using 7. Split into chunks. Processing data in smaller chunks rather than loading the entire dataset at once can significantly reduce memory demand. Functions such as read.csv have parameters to read data in chunks. Final thoughts. The cannot allocate vector of size error is a common issue that can usually be resolved by ensuring there are enough resources available or by optimizing your approach. By following the tips outlined above, you will be better equipped to manage large datasets and perform resource-intensive computations in RStudio. Hopefully, these strategies will help you overcome the memory allocation issues and allow you to continue your work effectively in R.